Welcome. Welcome to our course. What is animation? Animation is a method of making a photograph, drawing, models, or even puppets move in sequence. So, if I make this test move, it means I have created animation for the test. There are basically two types of animations. You have 2Ds and 3Ds. So in this course, we are going to talk about 3D animation. So sit tight and wait for us. Thanks for it. Okay, don't worry. You can see me using a computer, but we are not going to use a computer to do the animation. We are going to use smartphones to do the animation. So don't worry. What you need is a small amount of data and also have some memory in your smartphone. So sit tight and wait for us. Now let me tell you the benefits of 3D animation in the world. 3D animation is the technique of making inanimate objects or drawing appear to move in motion pictures or computer graphics, making videos in the almost reality. If you would consider the likes of Splendid Cartoon and others, they are using 3D animation on YouTube. Yes, those are perfect examples of animations. I tell you this, a lot of money can be made through the creation and mastery of this 3D animation making. I need not to tell you that people are need for 3D animators to pay for their services. It's already underway. How animation is taking over the world of commercials. Sooner than later, no one will need an actor to advertise a product again. To create such a 3D animation, you need to learn a lot. You have to follow every steps we are going to show in this course. You can also use it for personal stuff, maybe to make a video ad for your business, event program, or create awareness on anything at all. So sit tight, as we said, and wait for us. Thank you.